Hello everyone and welcome back to Dragon Wagon, the bi-weekly show that gives you updates about Team 1102. Today, we'll be uncovering the 2026 first robotics competition game, Rebuilt. We'll be talking about Kickoff, our progress after 2 weeks, and some interviews. So grab your steer and don't fall off, because we're about to take you on a Dragon Wagon ride. It's official. The 2026 FRC season has begun. During matches, robots compete to score fuel into the hub and climb the ladder to score points. This is just a preview of the game, but if you want to learn more, watch the game animation linked below. After the game was revealed, we worked together as a team to go over the rulebook, determine what game actions we considered most important, and began coming up with designs. After Kickoff, we worked diligently on creating prototypes and coming up with 4 main designs. Then, we spent an entire meeting going over the pros and cons of each design and how well it would work in an actual competition. Not only have we been working on the robot design, but we've also begun working on the field elements to recreate the field for testing. During this time, the media sub-team has been working towards finishing several projects, some of which you might have already seen.
A workshop.
How do we build a robot?
I mean, we did it easy in California.
So guys, let's build this kip off the street.
I'm warming up my fingers. This is my very first match.
Class, like we all do, 5 days a week. Now, let's talk about some interviews with the team. I have a few questions to ask both new and returning members to our team to learn more about how our team is approaching this season. I have with me
Richard Fowler.
And how do you plan to improve from last season?
I plan on making sure everyone has a job to do and no one's standing around doing nothing, keeping us on track and not falling apart.
Is that all?
Pretty much, yeah.
Thank you.
Currently, design, as well as the rest of the team, we have a Gantt chart with our schedule that we plan to follow strictly so that by the end of the main build season before our first competition, we can go through and test to make sure that nothing is going to break during competitions.
So what are you most excited for about this season?
I'd say watching the robots fight, and well, not fight, but you know what I mean, and getting to work on them in pit crew and learn more about building them.
Well, myself personally, I'm really excited for going to the competition because this will be my first time going to a competition.
Now that the season has begun, we will continue to make steady progress towards a completed robot. That's all we have for you now. Thank you for catching a ride on the Dragon Wagon. We hope to see you again soon.